Hospitals are run by patients, but why should a patient come to you? Have you ever thought of it? There are so many options available to a patient. So my topic of concern is efficient patient flow management and protocols to delight the patient. Patients are gods. Yes, you heard it right. Patients are actually gods for us. They earn us bread and butter. They make us feel wanted. And above all, they make us what we are. So to help these gods visit our facility, we have to follow certain strategies and protocols, which we will see in this presentation. Patient flow is nothing but the movement of patients within a healthcare facility. It not only involves a medical care, but also physical resources and internal systems which are needed to get in the patient from the point of admission to the point of discharge, and hence maintaining quality and patient satisfaction. Whether it's a small facility or an organizational practice, all type of healthcare practices, they agree that an efficient patient flow is the only key to increasing revenue and improving efficiency. So what is experience? Experience is ultimately all that matters. Whether we go to an hospital, we go to an office, or we visit a pizza counter, it is ultimately the experience all that matters. The experience of going to a doctor is no longer simply making an appointment and waiting for your doctor to see you. It is much more than that. It is basically a patient delight. So we at Sharpsight, we mainly aim for patient delight. So help these patients move into our facility without any hurdles. We have to see how our parking area up to the checkout counters, they work without any hurdles. This is the only way to maximize your daily patient load. So what are the guidelines for ensuring good patient flow? Number one, clearly define patient signages and destinations. When a patient walks into your clinic, he should not get lost. There should be proper signages at every step, at every floor, at every desk. The patient should not get lost and should not roam here and there. It increases unnecessary crowd and increases the restlessness of the patient. The signages should be preferably in both Hindi and English so that the patient becomes easier to move about. You can even adopt color coding for illiterate patients so that they do not find difficulty in moving into your facility. Number two, avoid bottlenecks. The most common area which creates hurdle is your check-in counter or the reception area. So try to smoothen that process to have the first experience of the patient a hurdle-free. Number three, minimize undue waiting. Whether we are going to a hospital or an office or just to buy a pizza, nobody wants to wait unnecessarily. So don't let your patient undergo an undue waiting. Number four, ensure timely transitions among staff. Whenever you have multiple shifts in your hospital, like 9 to 6, 10 to 7, or 11 to 8, always make sure that the person who is taking in charge of the next shift should be well aware of the patients who are already present in your clinic. They should be made aware that the patient should not wait unnecessarily. Parking. Yes, you may laugh, but parking does affect your patient flow. Smoothen your elective surgical schedule. When you have multiple surgeries planned, please try to divide it throughout the week. Don't keep complicated cases in a one day. Keep your OPD and OT days separately. Always remember, both OPD and OT are important to give patient delight. Use patient flow software. This is a very, very important software to automate the processes. The integrated patient flow management provides a complete control over the patient flow from the time of arrival to the time of discharge. Engage with secret shoppers. Who are these secret shoppers? They can be your friends, your relatives, or just a professionally hired person who walks into your clinic like a patient, have an overall experience, and then report your shortcomings. They will give you an unbiased about ratings and all the experience. Ask your staff for their opinions. You may sometimes don't observe what your staff can observe. So keep meetings with your staff, keep discussing things with them to have an overall rating for your own clinic. Take feedbacks and reviews from the patient. Try to accept your criticism. It will help you to improve yourself. And your happy patient review will help you to attract more patients into your clinic. So what are the systems that impact patient flow management? Manpower. Keep sufficient people in your clinic who can manage the crowd and the rush. The people that you keep should be skilled and trained. So keep giving trainings to your staff to make them more efficient. Infrastructure. Whether it is a parking area, a waiting area, or the complete space within your facility, it should be properly managed. Last but not the least, you have to keep yourself updated with equipments, state-of-the-art technology, and your data management. So how does the patient flow management works at Sharpsight Eye Hospitals? So these are the strategies that we follow to increase our clinical efficiency. So we begin with valet parking. A person don't mind paying more, but then getting indulged in a busy parking area. Time is more important than money these days. So keep a valet parking to avoid stress and to bring in a more quiet, relaxed, and a stress-free patient as well as the attendant. We have arrangements outside the hospital for elderly patients in the form of ramp for wheelchair patients and the lift within the premises for easy movement. We have very easy appointment modules. We have a definite website from where the appointment can be taken. We have a very patient-friendly Sharpsight app through which the appointment can be taken. This app has everything to tell you about the doctor's profile, timings, date, and everything. So it becomes very easy for the patient to book an appointment. Whenever we call the patients or send an SMS notification regarding the appointment, we always ask the patient to arrive 20 to 30 minutes early. This not only avoids chaos, but also makes the patient prepared for undue waiting. The appointment time of the patient is always the reporting time in the hospital and not the time of examination by the doctor. This should be made clear to the patient. We have spacious reception area and the check-in counters so as to accommodate more people and reduce the waiting time. The reception is the first area where the patient comes in contact with the hospital staff. So it has to be hurdle-free. Whenever patients are waiting in the waiting area, we always try to keep them busy. An ideal patient and an idle attendant becomes restless. To keep running educational videos, news, etc. on the TV, it not only keeps them busy, but also motivates them for an eye examination. So this is the Sharpsight patient flow, the way we follow. The journey of the patient starts with the kiosk machine where a token is generated. A person is always employed there to help the patient. The token that is generated is well displayed on the TV so as the patient gets to know that which registration area is booked for him and where does he lie in the waiting area. This reduces stress among the patients. This is, I must tell you, the complete page for the doctor. The moment we started using the electronic medical record system, our patient flow has actually increased. This tells the doctor everything that the patient is doing in the waiting area. It tells us what all surgeries are planned for the patient. It also gives the doctor about the appointments. So the patient as well as the doctor can get to know how many patients are waiting. It not only tells the appointment time of the patient, it also tells the time when the patient has arrived in your clinic. It also tells whether the surgery advised by you has undergone a booking or not. It tells us whether the patient is undergoing a procedure or not. It also gives us the trigger warnings and reminders about the elderly or the vulnerable patients. So to conclude, with increasing revenue pressures, effective patient flow is the only key to increasing revenue and improving efficiency. Facilities or the hospitals that minimize undue waiting, that make destinations apparent and transitions comfortable, ultimately result in a patient delight. Quality care and data accuracy enhances reliability among patients, and this is the only way to increase scope for new patients. So an efficient patient flow results in a happy and a delighted patient, and of course, a happy doctor.